Hey, what's good, everyone? This is the car that I will be driving. I may keep it if it dies. It may not really sure at the moment. It does start up after of weeks of it constantly dying. I managed to start it up for at least a couple of weeks so it doesn't die as much as it should. So I'm just gonna put you kind of in the I'm just gonna put you here so you'll see technically a couple of things. Here, let me pop the trunk. Wait, what am I talking about? That's the No, I'm gonna do it now. Okay, while that started, as you can see, it hasn't been used since early Thanksgiving. Not bad. Still has a quarter of gas and stuff. Yes. All that. Brakes, the clutch still works. Go ahead and dismiss that. The radio works. Kind of. Everything really. The gas station, the gas, it's kind of loose for a certain reason. Can't really pop that in. Then we got the trunk. Basics. Nothing really. Oh, fuck. Shit. Let's go ahead and back this up a little. I'm gonna kind of preview the car a little bit. Hold on, let me stop this because I don't want to waste anything. Stim. I just opened it. I just opened it.
Look, I want to show you something.
Yeah, I know, I see it.
That's all. You see lights on. Why you keep the battery?
Oh my god, you fucking ruined my video. Just go inside.
Turn it off.
Yeah, I'm gonna start it back up in a minute. Oh. Jerry! Sorry about that. The engine's, it's decent. It's not a V6. It's not. Give me a second. Honestly, this is probably gonna be like the car for like, if anyone gets so drunk in the summer and you like dead ass need somebody to pick you up, bro, like just message me. Yo, I should do that. I'll like dead ass have like a $2 service in the summer, like for $2, I'll pick you up. Cause if you think about it, I'll make my money back. But it's not even. Even though that I can open the trunk from the back, I could still key it. Ooh. What the fuck is that?
To put the car on the road. At least you got your own car.
I know, I want to put it on now, but like the DMV is not open.
No, you can drive on, don't you?
I want to.
Don't play that door.
If they would have listened to me and put it on when I first got it before Christmas, I wouldn't have had it on the street already. We should have done that. Hold on, let's start this up. Yeah, it's nice, but the muffler. We gotta do something about the muffler.
No, leave it the muffler on. Not worry about it.
Okay. But even in the back seat, it's still like spacey and stuff, you know. I have my seat far up so like I can reach, because I hate like how I can't reach and shit. So like, yeah. So like the person who would be sitting behind me wouldn't be claustrophobic and stuff. But like this side, I don't care if you move the passenger side because I'm not gonna be sitting over there. But like, you know, it's a nice car and stuff. It's decent. Hold on, let's get one of my friends in here. Hey Nick, what's up? You know, if I really wanted to be a douchebag right now, I could take the keys out of the car, turn it off, lock it, and set off the panic button if I really wanted to. You know, I'm gonna save that as a prank for next April 1st. Yes. I'm not sure who, but I'm gonna pass by somebody's house and get them. I'm gonna put you guys down right here. Hold on, I'm gonna put you, where can I do it? I'm gonna put my phone right here. You guys should hear the engine. Just give me a second. It's decent. This car don't play. I could ram it up to 80 at least. This car is good, man, like for real. You can tell the difference from where the seat is, but like honestly. Hey Pina, how you doing? Oh wait, I have to translate it. Oh shit. I'll get that done eventually. The AC system's not so bad.
Well, it's all the way done, though.
Alright. Okay guys, well I'm leaving because my fucking family can't fucking hold shit up.
Pull the window.
Alright, I heard you the first 1,000 times. This car does have to get a major cleaning. Horn still works. kind of. So that was my 2000 Honda Accord LX. There'll be more videos of it when I get it out on the street eventually. So until then, I'll see y'all